Alright, this is going to be a quick video on how you can redeem your Fortnite Flowering Chaos bundle code. So if you purchased a Fortnite edition PS5, you will have the code here at the back of your leaflet, and you just need to scratch it off to get the code. Now once you have the code, how do we redeem it? Now you want to go into the PlayStation Store here, so you just want to click on the PlayStation Store. Next we are gonna select the three dots in the top right, and all you need to do is to click on redeem code. Now here, make sure you type out your code exactly as it is given to you. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so it's gonna show you this now. It contains one item. It's the bundling thing, the Flower Chaos bundle. So what you need to do is to click on redeem here. And once you click on redeem, then you will need to download the code or download the PS5 version. So we're just gonna do that, and once you download it, then you will get this item here. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.